Hello and welcome to this lecture everyone. So in this lecture we're going to learn how to download and install VirtualBox. But first of all, what is a VirtualBox? The VirtualBox is a magical creation. It's a software that grants you the power to run multiple operating systems on a single computer, just like a virtual playground. It lets you experiment, test and play with various operating systems within the safety of your existing setup. So if we test our hacking methods inside a virtual box, then it would be safe and nothing to worry about. And also it allows you to run multiple operating systems on a single machine. So it would be beneficial for software testing, development and different experimentation. It creates a sandbox environment, ensuring that changes in one OS don't affect the others, promoting system stability. Additionally, it's free and widely supported. So for all this factor, it is becoming very popular nowadays. So we're going to use that VirtualBox in this lecture. So let's install VirtualBox now, and we'll go to their official website. So here you can see we're on the official website, and you can download the VirtualBox based on your operating system. So currently I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click here. Then here you can see it is downloading. So you need to wait, and it depends on your internet connection how long it will take to download the entire app. So after downloading VirtualBox, you will get a app like that, and to install it, double click on it. So you need to click on next, nothing to change here, and install. So here you can see it is installed. So after installation, you will get an interface like that, and I have already installed 2 Kali Linux, so you won't have that, but nothing to worry about. And I will guide you how to install all of this inside VirtualBox. So that's it for this lecture, and see you around.